Dear students, today we are going to see practical number 6, that is Megger, for the subject electrical material and wiring practice. So the title of experiment is Megger. Practical significance. Many times it is essential to measure insulation resistance of cable before installation, as well as whenever power breakdown in a shop or section of industry occurs. The value of insulation resistance measured decides the condition of cable. It is essential to know the procedure and interpretation of values of insulation resistance. So, relevant program outcomes are discipline knowledge, apply electrical engineering knowledge to solve broad-based electrical engineering related problems, experiments and practice. Plan to perform experiments and practice to use the results to solve broad-based electrical engineering problems and engineering tools. Apply relevant electrical technologies and tools with an understanding of the limitations. Now, by doing this practical, you are going to acquire few competencies and practical skills like plan wiring cabling activities using relevant material, following safety practices using, it means use Megger and measure insulation resistance. Relevant course outcomes, select relevant insulating materials, perform different types of electrical wiring and cabling activities. Practical outcomes, use the Megger to measure insulation resistance of cable. This is a practical outcome. Okay. Then relevant affective domain related outcomes, practice good housekeeping with safety measures, demonstrate working as a leader, a team member, maintain tools and equipments, follow ethical practices. Means these skills have to be developed in students. From this practical, following theoretical knowledge you must have. Insulation resistance quality of an electrical system degrades with time, environment condition, temperature, humidity, moisture and dust particles. It also gets impacted negatively due to the presence of electrical and mechanical stress. So it becomes very necessary to check the IR, that is the insulation resistance of equipment at a constant regular interval to avoid any major electrical shock. Megger is an instrument designed to measure extremely high value of insulation resistance. Means Megger measures the extremely high value of resistance, hence called Megger or ohm meter. Means mega ohm meter. It is also used to measurement of insulation resistance, hence called insulation tester. Now you can see at diagram shown in the figure, practical setup or circuit diagram or work situation. Here analog type Megger is shown in the diagram. Its scale and knob is given to move the generator. Okay, hand crank, that is called hand crank. And in another diagram, connection diagram is shown. Conductor is given there, 3-core cable is given and Megger is connected across two wires to measure its resistance. So Megger and cable is shown, then other conductors connected together and the series. Okay, it is a insulation resistance test of cables. Now resources required. If you want to perform this experiment, you will require these resources. Megger 500 volt hand driven, one number, test cable of suitable size. Now you want to perform this practical by following some precautions. So precautions to be followed. The Megger should not be used on live system. Means system is live, voltage is there in conductor and current is flowing, and in that time you shouldn't use Megger to test insulation resistance. The handle of the Megger should be rotated in clockwise direction. Means you shouldn't rotate handle of the Megger in anti-clockwise direction. It should be move in clockwise direction. Okay. Don't touch the terminals of Megger while conducting the test, otherwise it will give you an electric shock. Means whenever you connect test terminals of Megger and rotate its generator, its spindle handle, then don't touch any contact. If you can touch the contact, you will get shock because 500 volt is generated at the terminal. Rotate the handle of the measure at its rated speed. Means rated speed is given of each measure. Accordingly, you have to rotate this handle so that appropriate voltage is generated. Okay. Keep the measure in horizontal position with operation while operation. Means whenever you are using measure, you should keep it in horizontal position. If you place it in a vertical position, it will not generate appropriate voltage and you will not get proper voltage. So your reading will be wrong. Okay. In order to perform this practical, following procedure is followed. So the procedure: connect the EL terminal of measure to conductor under test as shown in figure 2. Connect E terminal of measure to the conductor connected together and to seat. Rotate the handle of measure at its rated speed. Observe the reading. Note down the reading in observation table. Repeat the step for the other conductors. Okay, so this experiment is very easy and very useful too. I think you might have understood use of measure and its application. Okay. Students, this is actual practical setup of measure used to measure insulation resistance of the cable. This is a measure. You can see this its scale 500 volt mega ohm. Then EL terminal, E terminal. It is here its handle. Okay. EL wire is connected to one conductor of the cable. Another E wire is connected to another conductor of the wire, and this connected to sheath and from to earth. It is for protection purpose. Now I will move this handle and accordingly voltage will be generated in measure and it will show reading of insulation of the cable. Okay, I am moving this spindle. Okay, you can see here some voltage is generated, some reading is shown, insulation resistance value we are getting. Okay, can you see this? I am moving this spindle at rated as per requirement of the measure. Measure is showing some reading. It shows insulation resistance of the cable. And this is a old instrument that is called measure, as you know. Nowadays, digital type insulation meter is there in market, and we have this type of meter also. This is called digital insulation tester. Okay, scale is there, same test point is there. You can select voltage 50 volt, 100 volt, 250 volt, 100 volt, 1K. Means it is a voltage generated in this meter to measure insulation resistance of the cable. I will select 500. Okay, this meter can be used to to measure continuity also, to measure resistance, voltage and AC and DC voltage also. Now I will show you demonstration how to measure insulation resistance using this insulation tester. Now what I will do, same connection what we did for the traditional meter. I will remove these wires. As you know, E will connect it to the black wire. I will connect here only because, and L will be connected to red wire here to the terminal, to the connecting probe of the insulation tester. I will keep this aside. Now same connection as we did for the traditional measure. EL goes to one terminal of the cable, then E goes to another terminal of the wire cable, and this goes to sheath, and sheath is earth. Now what I will do, I will just press test point of this meter, and accordingly we will get reading. You can see that its value is shown there, 26.7 mega ohm. So the insulation resistance of this cable is 27.7 mega ohm insulation between two conductors. So very easy and useful experiment for the electrical engineering students point of view. Whenever you will be completed your engineering and you will have to use Megger on the site. So it is very handy and useful instrument. Thank you.